Hello, today I'm going to use Microsoft Word. Microsoft Word is usually used to create documents such as letters, brochures, homework assignments, and much more. It is really handy to do written assignments. Overall, it is very useful software. I'm going to show you how to change the font color and size, insert a picture, and add a page borders and page color. First, we're going to start with a Word document open. I am going to have a document already typed up so you can see the difference. To change the font, select the text you would like to change. After that, go to the Home tab in the ribbon, if already in it. Go to the font group that says Calibri Body, that is where you can change the font face. Then select the drop down arrow beside it. This is where you can select the font face you want. For now, I'm going to select Arial. So, as you can see, it changes the font. Next, we'll change the font color. If already deselected the text, select the text you would like to change the font color. I will just select the title, Divergent. After selecting the text you want, go to the Home tab, if not already there. Then go to the font group that says Font. Then click the drop-down arrow besides the A that is underlined. Next, you can select the color you prefer. I'm going to select Orange Accent 6. Now we're going to change the font size. Again, go to the Home tab, and under the font group there should be a number with a drop-down arrow beside it. Click the drop-down arrow and choose the desired font. For now, I'll use the font size 20. Thirdly, I am going to show you how to insert a picture. By doing this, you select your text and go to the Insert ribbon, which is right here at the top. There is an Illustrations group. Inside it says Picture, Clip Art, Shapes, Smart Art, Chart, and Screenshot. What you want is the pictures. You should already have pictures saved in a folder or on your desktop or any other places. As you can see, there are multiple pictures in my folder. Just select the picture you want. For now, I'll select my jungle picture. By doing this, click on the picture. You can either double click or click the Insert, which is located besides the Cancel button down here. If you choose the drop down arrow for Insert, just right here, it should say Insert, Link to File, and Insert and Link. Insert is what would place the picture in the document. Link to File would insert it, but it would just reduce the file size. Insert and Link means it would upload the document onto the web or share it on an email, but the recipient or the receiver would not be able to see any of the pictures. But right now, I'll just insert the picture. As you can see, the picture I selected is now in my Now I'll show you how to add page borders. By doing this, deselect the picture. Now to add page borders, go to the page layout. As you can see, we're already in it. Then under the page background, it's right here, it says page borders. Click the icon that looks like a new page and says page borders. After clicking it, a borders and shading box would pop up. Here you can choose what type of border you want. There is a none, a box, shadow, 3D, and custom. After picking it, you can select the line color, the line style, the color, the width, and what type of art you would like as the border. You can then choose if you want to have the border around the whole document, a section. This section, first page only, or all the other pages except the first page. As well, there's a preview so you can see how the page will turn out. I'm going to select a 3D border, and the style I'm going to pick is a squiggly line. With the color is going to be red. Width would be 1.5 points. And I'm not going to add any art for now. I'm going to apply it to my whole document. After choosing everything you want, click OK. As you can see, a red border is around my whole document. Now we are going to add page color as my last demonstration. To do this, make sure you're in Page Layout tab. If not, click the Page Layout tab. Then under the Page Background group, there are 3 options: Watermark, Page Color, and Page Borders. We want page color. It has a blue background, blue paper with a bucket on it. Click the drop down arrow and select the color you want your document to be. As you can see, it changes the background of your document. I'm going to pick something light so you would be able to read my text, see the border, and to see if it looks good. If you make a mistake, there's always the undo button at the top left corner, or you can hold the control key and click the Z key. Either way undoes what you did last. Overall, Microsoft Word is a convenient and can do a lot of useful things. It is mostly useful to do homework assignments.